guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic. Today I'm here to let you guys know how to write conclusion for writing task 2, and in my previous video I've told you that how to write introduction as well as body paragraphs and how to write example in the body paragraphs. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and link of my previous video has been given in the description box. You can watch that video from there. And so let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time. So first of all, for conclusion we need a connector in order to make it clear for the reader that it is the beginning of our conclusion. And secondly, we have to paraphrase the ideas that we have already included in our body paragraphs. And thirdly, we have to reiterate the opinion if it is asked. And make sure to keep your conclusion concise as well as effective. It shouldn't be look like a body paragraph, and it should be reflection of your whole essay. So must rephrase the main ideas as well as reiterate the opinion again, and try to keep its length up to 40 words. And first of all, I will let you know how to write a conclusion for agree disagree essay. So firstly, we will read the statement, and it is the same statement that I've used in intro as well as body paragraph writing. Some people say that art subjects such as music, drama and creative writing are an essential part of education, and every school should include them in its syllabus. Do you agree or disagree? So first of all, we used a connector to conclude. We can use any suitable connector for conclusion such as to conclude or in conclusion, and I'm here using to conclude. In comma, additional subjects involvement in school curriculum will not only assist means help students to perform effectively in studies but also open the doors of success for them. It is paraphrase of my both ideas that I have included in the body paragraphs. Then I have given my opinion using another connector, hence comma, I opine that school authorities ought to means like should add artistic subjects for the bright future of the learner. So here I'm giving the favor to the statement that additional subject should be a part of school curriculum. And here I've used to here I've made a complex sentence using not only and but also, and try to make complex sentences while writing your essay. And now we will write conclusion for our second type of essay, that is discuss both views and give your opinion. And again we are using the same example as we have used in our previous video. Some people say that art subjects such as music, drama and creative writing are useful for the students, while others think that these subjects will increase load on the students. Discuss both views and give your opinion. And again we are writing it in the same manner. Firstly, we used the connector to conclude, comma, although, comma, additional subjects can deviate the mind of the learners from academics, comma, that means what here, I opine that involvement of these subjects in school curriculum can be proven lucrative for the pupils, as this initiative can brighten the career of the learners. Here I am again favoring the involvement of additional subject in the school curriculum, and I have made it clear with the help of as this initiative means step can brighten the career of the learners. And here I have again made a complex sentence using although but make sure that when you are using although, just after writing, you will write the statement in which you are not favoring, and after that, after comma, you will write the statement that you are favoring, means that you are supporting, right? So in case of although and what, we can write our opinion for discuss both view. But for agree disagree essay, when we are supporting one side only, at that time we can't use this although but. At that time we have to use not only but also. And nextly, I'll let you know how to write conclusion for advantage disadvantage essay. So firstly, we will read the statement. Some people say that art subjects such as music, drama and creative writing are an essential part of education and every school should include them in its syllabus. Do you think the disadvantages of adding these subjects outweigh its advantages? In this intro, we have made it clear that advantages of this trend are more. And if you haven't watched this video, then you can get the link of this in the description box. So we have written the in conclusion like this: to conclude, comma, although comma involvement of additional subject in school curriculum can soar means rise the burden of the learners and deviate the mind from academics, comma means but in my opinion these subjects can boost concentration of learners and lead them towards bright career. And I have again made my opinion clear with the help of ideas that we have used while writing its advantages. And next to it we will write a conclusion for problem solution essay. So its statement was, in these days most of the children like to play computer games instead of doing outdoor activities. Which problems are being caused due to this? Question mark. How children can be encouraged to play outside? So firstly we have used the connector to conclude, comma, playing to conclude, comma, playing computer games can make children victim of swear means serious maladies, which means diseases, and deviate them from the studies. But collaborative means joint efforts of teachers as well as parents can acquaint children about the importance of physical activities. Acquaint means make aware. So we have again paraphrase our main ideas, and in this essay no any kind of opinions in opinion was asked, so we have just simply rephrased our main ideas over here. So there is no need to include your opinion if it is not asked. Then our last type of essay, that is double question essay. Most of the children like to play computer games instead of doing outdoor activities. What are the reasons behind this? Is that positive or negative development? It is double question essay. Firstly we have to give the reasons, and secondly we have to give our opinion as well, that whether we are in favor of playing computer games or not. So again we are using the connector firstly to conclude, comma, although safety reasons and interactive platform of electronic games lure children towards, which are the reasons that we have given, comma, I opine that means my opinion spending a lot of time in front of screens can make children victim of severe maladies and deviate them from the studies. And here I'm again using although and but we just follow the although with the comma. According to the grammatical rule it is wrong to use but after comma, so we just simply put the comma over here, and we have rephrased our ideas as well as gave our opinion. I hope it is clear to you, and if you face any difficulty while writing conclusion you can ask me. So let's move towards today's uncommon words that I have used. First one is victim, that means prey. And second is acquaint, that means make aware. Third one is collaborative, that means joint. And fourth one is lucrative, that means beneficial. Fifth one is deviate, that means astray. Sixth one is maladies, that means diseases. Seventh is assist, that means help. And last is soar, that means rise. So that's all for today. Until now we have completed a full essay writing. We have started from introduction writing, and then I have told you that how to write body paragraphs as well as how to add the example in your paragraph. And today I told you that about conclusion writing, and I hope that this information gonna be useful for you. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.